Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Steam games on your phone. So from any browser on your phone, go ahead and open the Steam support, or you can go to store.steampower.com. So in here, tap the three dots on the upper left corner, and then you can see there, just accept it all, and then you can see there the word login. So all you have to do is just to tap that and log into your details in here. So sign in with your account name and the password, and you can just tap that join Steam, and then you may now create your account or just link your account if you have already. So just simply fill in the information and take that I'm not a robot, and make sure that you are 13 years old of age and older, and then tap continue. Wait for the verification on your email, and once you have received it, then tap that verify my email address. And once your email is verified, then you may now start tapping that three dots again, and then you may use now your account. So you can just go on tap or type in your Steam account name, and then choose a strong password. And then there you go, you may continue and playing Steam on your phone. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.